Yeah, brothers and sisters, I'm at Leeds Road. What's it called? Famous food area of top restaurants in the area. And I'm gonna basically show you what they got here. It's a wide range of restaurants that they've got. They've got this one here, Syrian restaurant, Bab Yuma Grande. They've also got Mac Halal, which is opening soon. Looks like a burger place. The Mughal Emporium, it's also there. I'm assuming that's some kind of venue. They've also got the Real Steak. Lot of Pepe's they got here as well. Pepe's peri chicken. I have to admit here, the drive. So yeah, just showing you this road here. Akbar's is on the left there. King of Curry. Looks quite busy. A popular restaurant. They've also got, what's it called? What else they've got? Just looking along. There's lots of places. There's the Ice Stone on the right. Gelato. They do Mother Hubbard, fish and chips, which I'm actually gonna cover. So I'm gonna turn right and cover it because I can't cover everything possible here. So I will check it out and order something simple, I think. So let's find a parking space and check out Mother Hubbard. Yeah, so Mother Hubbard's famous fish and chips. Famous fish and chips since 1972. So they've been around a long time. And look at the outside, it looks amazing, immaculate presentation from outside and inside. And you can see what I like about it is unique is you got old newspaper articles, and that's what they used to use to wrap chips around it. So that's a very unique thing that they've got in the exterior. And I'm just going to walk inside and just going to show you the inside interior. And you can see the flooring is very nice. You got the rug there, it says the same thing. Welcome to Mother Hubbard's, famous fish and chips since 1972. Very nice touch. And then you've got the LCD effects of fishes and a shark there as well, which gives it a really unique look to the whole setup here. Mashallah, very nice. And they've got some pictures up here as well. Some obviously it's a great British tradition. It's fish and chips. You can see here some articles related to this chain, which is really good to see. So as I said, it goes back to 1972. And it says here, Mother Hubbard's was originally established in 1972. The purpose-built fish and chips restaurant was completed at a cost of £92,000. It was opened on 3rd of May 1972 by Coronation Street favourites Stan and Hilda Ogden. Fish and chips in 1972 at Mother Hubbard's were served at 45p a portion. Mother Hubbard's reopened on 28th December 2011, which is an interesting fact to learn. Fantastic. And there's one of the old style Mother Hubbard's back in the days. This was in what? It's below here. Mother Hubbard's, 27th October 1988. It doesn't say which area, but that's the kind of style that they used to open. Yeah, very traditional.
Is it jumbo? Super jumbo?
So that's the chunky chips, yeah? The big chips, wow. So you can see the chips there, nice and chunky, and piece of haddock, freshly made haddock. So you don't do cod, it's just haddock, yeah? Haddock. Wow, that's nice. Just have a look at that. Lovely presentation. Fantastic. You have salt and onion vinegar? Yeah. Lovely, thank you. So I just put the salt just lightly. and a little bit of vinegar on top. Thank you. That's that. Lovely. Do you sell ketchup separately?
Yeah. 35 pence more.
Yeah. Can I have a takeaway? Like, yeah, packed. Thank you so much. Brilliant. So yeah, there's a lovely setup here. So this is where you order. That's where you collect. And they've got old newspaper articles from 1966 World Cup, from that time onwards. And it's been packed for me in a lovely bag. Thank you. Mother Hubbard's famous fish and chips. There's one opening soon on Barking Road in East London. Hopefully open very soon. And yeah, as you can see, it's a lovely setup here. And it looks very impressive. We've got some LCD graphics here of fishes. Also do drinks there as well. And nice seating area as well. Fantastic. Yeah, we're now coming towards the other side of Leeds Road. You got Rogers Grill, you got Desi Khana there on the left. You got Turkish Sweet Centre. You've also got Spuddy's, world famous doner kebab. You got Abbasin Peshawari Chapli kebab. You got Chaiwala. Yeah, you got a lot of places to eat here. So yeah, it's a really hustling and bustling place. Is Leeds Road in Bradford, and yeah, very busy area. You've got Grillish on the left there. You've got Cafe Creme de la Creme. You've also got so we're having a little brief look and driving at the same time. You've got Mughal's restaurant here. You've got Istanbul on the right. You've got Chicanos. You've got Howdy. And lots of great places to eat here. Seriously, some serious places to eat. This one looks interesting on the left. Vanilla Rooms. Looks like a dessert kind of place. Got a Hindu temple on the right, in the center of Bradford. Yeah, very diverse area. What we got here on the left? We've got Mahmood's, looks like a burger joint here. Then you've got Parkiza on the right. You've got UK fried chicken. You've got Salah's. Looks like burgers and stuff. Sopranos, Cafe Bistro, Oodles. Yeah, a lot of impressive setup.